How to access the Urkund Plagiarism software results as a learner in Brightspace. I'm in my test course as a learner. Using the nav bar, go to CNM Resources. Using the drop-down menu, select Urkund. If the instructor has enabled the Urkund Plagiarism software, the assignment reports will be found here. Once you have located the report you wish to view, click on the Show Details tab. Using the drop-down menu, select View Reports. Now, I can scroll down and select View the entire document. I can see the similarity report shows the 7% match, and I can view the details of the overview. If you wish to view any additional reports, simply click back into the Course tab and select the Show Details tab of any of the reports that you wish to view.